The Spectrum TV app includes accessibility features like Narrator for screen reading, audio description for visual narration, and SAP for secondary audio programs. To disable these, open the Spectrum TV app and navigate to the menu or settings section. Look for accessibility or audio options in the settings menu. For mobile devices like iOS or Android, these settings may be found under Device Settings, then Accessibility. If the issue persists, try restarting the app or clearing the app cache, as features can sometimes re-enable after updates. Narrator vocalizes on-screen elements for visually impaired users, helping them navigate the interface by reading menus, buttons, and other text aloud. Audio description, or AD, narrates visual scenes, actions, and on-screen text during live TV or on-demand content, making programs more accessible for visually impaired viewers. SAP, or Secondary Audio Program, provides alternative audio tracks, including different languages, descriptions, or other audio options separate from the main program. These accessibility features rely on metadata embedded in broadcast signals. Disabling them through the app simply mutes or ignores those specific tracks without affecting the original content. To access these settings, navigate to the app's accessibility menu. Here's how a hand might move through the settings to toggle features off. If you experience issues like SAP re-enabling after updates, try clearing the app cache. For Roku users, make sure your device firmware is up to date. Remember, these features are designed to be customizable, promoting digital equity, and can be easily disabled through the app settings.